Building an app that helps your users work faster and smarter is the goal of all Skuid app builders. In this video, I'd like to introduce to you 5 recent Skuid features that will help you build a grid view similar to popular spreadsheet apps like Excel or Google Sheet. The new Sort Builder feature can be quickly enabled by checking a box in the table properties. Besides being able to manage sorting all in one place, your users can also perform complex sorting operations, like sorting name in ascending and then close date in descending order. Sort Builder in Skuid is equivalent to column sorting in Excel. Better yet, you can enable Sort Builder for other components that display data like deck and list. The second recently added feature for table and form is button field. This is not the same as a row action that is attached to a table. You can now add a button component as a column to a table and have control over the styling and display logics of that button. Click interaction is a huge addition to Skuid table component. Left-clicking and right-clicking on a row is a very common pattern in consumer-grade web applications and is now also available in Skuid. For example, your users can left-click on the row to bring up a detail modal. You no longer need a row action for every interaction and can instead move a lot of those actions into a right-click that opens a drop-down menu. Conditional formatting is now available in Skuid, called Field Variant. It's a popular and extremely helpful feature in Excel. You can mark a cell as green if it's good and red if it's bad. In this example, if the amount field is empty, the cell is highlighted, helping it stand out when your users are scanning hundreds of rows. Export data is now available from the Action framework instead of only being accessible from the table component. That means that you have a lot more flexibility on where you built the export data action on your page, like on top of the page, like in this example. With every new Skuid release, there are more awesome features to your end users, as well as quality of life and productivity improvements for you, the Skuid builder. These features highlighted here are specific to creating a spreadsheet-like app, but there are tons of other features that we know that you'll love. Check them out from the most recent releases. Thanks for watching.